Mealworms are high in protein, but it lacks calcium. So this is a very balanced supplement, and I'm happy I came across it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Countrymarro here. About 3 to 4 weeks ago, a company reached out to me asking if I could potentially try out one of their products. I wasn't so sure, so it took me a little while before I gave them a reply. However, on reading up on this company, doing my little background checks and research, I ended up going for it. The name of this company is Grub Terra, and they produce these black soldier fly larvae, which you can feed to your chicken, fish, birds, and even reptile, as is stated here. Also, what sold me on this was the amount of calcium that was in it. Normally I feed my chickens mealworm, and this is saying that it has 75% more calcium than mealworm, stated right here also. So I was just looking and saying that this would serve a much better purpose than mealworm. Not that I'm comparing the two, because on reading up on this is way ahead of mealworm, so we won't be comparing apples to apples. If we should talk about these black soldier fly larvae in comparison to mealworm, this video is a sponsored video by Grub Terra, and it's also my honest thoughts on this product. So I'm just going to go ahead. This is the first time I'm ever going to be using this product, but I don't think this will be my last time. I'm looking forward to feeding this product also to my exotic birds. For these black soldier fly, they are a very versatile insect, which is known for its ability to convert organic matter into animal feed and also fertilizer. It is also best when buying black soldier fly larvae to choose a reputable supplier like Grub Terra to ensure the larvae are raised in a clean and healthy environment. Let's go ahead and cut this pack open and see how well these girls and boy likes it. Also comes with a thank you for supporting our small business. Grub Terra is located in New Jersey, so this company is American based. As I said before, I'm not really into the country of origin of any product. As long as it's a good product, I will support it. Let's go ahead now and feed and see what these girls think of it. So see, they're coming up slowly. Now they're rushing to it. this is not a substitute for feed, it is simply a supplement. So do not overfeed on these black soldier fly larvae. You can give a chicken maybe 15 to 25 per day, and that would be good because these are just supplementary stuff to help with health and overall vitality of the birds. And with Grub Terra, every 1 pound of soldier fly larvae that they produce is equal to 20 pounds of food waste going to the landfill. So these people are really environmentally friendly. That's another good reason for us to be buying these products to feed our animals. Every living thing is beneficial in one way or another, but for these fly, they can turn your food scrap into certain livestock feed, and that is good. So I'm definitely digging this product. So these flies can be found on every continent except for Antarctica. A few benefits of this black soldier fly larva. It is a great source of protein for livestock, poultry, and even aquaculture. This thing provides essential amino acid for growth and development. They also contain healthy fat, calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals, making this a well-rounded supplement for your animals. Studies have also shown that incorporating black soldier fly larvae in your animal diet can lead to better growth and improve egg production. This enhances overall health and immunity in your chickens and other animals. And also remember that protein and calcium are vital for the growth of healthy feathers, eggs, bones, and overall health. I'm going into this aviary now to feed these birds some of this grub. The next thing about mealworm and grub, the comparison that I shouldn't be making, but mealworm are high in protein, but it lacks calcium, and where calcium and protein is concerned for your birds, they go hand in hand. If the bird is not getting enough protein to hold on to that calcium, it is going to pass right through the bird. So this is a very balanced supplement, and I'm happy I came across it. I'm happy these guys reached out to me, and now I know about this. I'm going to be trying it on my exotic birds now. This is what we have here for them, and I'll be just feeding everyone a bit of it. So let's go. So let's try these up here first and see what these guys think about it. So these guys are trying it. Let's see. They're taking up some good bites, so this is a good look. So if you guys are rearing sun conures or green cheek conure, they will eat these things, and this is proof that they're eating up this. So this is a black soldier fly larva from Grub Terra, and my green cheek conure, they're enjoying it. This is a game changer for me right here. So let's see what these guys think of it, everyone. And the thing is, these birds are not hungry because they have already been fed, but I'm just gonna put a few and see. And I've never tried these birds with any type of worm. Also, if you rear a bird and you're having feeding problem with them wasting the feed, parrots waste feed a lot, this is a way that you can go to save your feed. So guys, everyone is taking a love at it now. So everyone is digging into it now. They're getting the taste of it, so they're liking it. Let's see what this boy is up to down here. So everyone is eating. We're also going to be trying these guys over here with a little. So everyone will be getting a bit of grub today. So I'm just going in with that. And we're ready to go again. These guys right here also, I'll be dropping in a few on top of their feed so that they can get to it. We're going to try them with this Grub Terra black soldier fly larva. So let's go down to their feeding containers and put a bit in it. So there we are. We're just going to sprinkle a bit in that one, and we're going to go over to this side, and we're also going to put a bit into this container also. There we go. Now, after the chickens and birds have cleaned up all of their black soldier fly larvae from Grub Terra, I just want to say a big thank you to the team over by Grub Terra for sponsoring this video and giving us that opportunity to review a great product like this. So if you're interested in grabbing yourself one of these, you can just check down in the description of this video for the link to get yourself one of these. Go ahead, try it out, tell me what you think also. I'll be using this on my urban homestead. Now that's it for Countrymarro in this video. See you guys in the next one. Be safe. God bless you all. Cheers.